Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to game share on PlayStation 5 in a simple step-by-step way. First, make sure both accounts involved are trusted, because you will be sharing access to digital games and subscriptions. Now, turn on your PS5 and log into your main account that owns the games. Go to Settings from the home screen, then open Users and Accounts. Inside that menu, scroll down to Other and select Console Sharing and Offline Play. Here, you will see an option to enable it. Turn it on for the account that owns the games. This allows other users on the same console to access your digital library. Next, sign in with the second account on the same PS5. Once logged in, go to the game library, and you should see the shared games available for download and play. Download any game you want and start playing using the second account. Make sure the primary account stays signed in on the console sharing settings. If you ever want to stop game sharing, simply return to the same setting and disable console sharing. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.